Hi once more, my name is Paul. I'm going to show you how to edit in the timeline in Movavi Video Editor. I'm going to show you how to split a video, move video around, enable gap tool, delete gap tool, add markers, delete object, detach audio, right click and track options, add selections in the track. Now let's begin. Now I'll just come to the media file import here and add files. Then I'll go and choose these free files by controlling so that I select all of them. Then the next thing I'm going to click here so that I insert one by one. I double click here, they go into the timeline, also double click here, also double click here, and all of them will be the timeline. Now let's say I want to split. The next thing I want to show is how to split a video. So there's this red thing here. You can easily position it by dragging it using your mouse. So you can come here and click this, make sure you select this, it will turn into yellow, then click this, it will split the video. That's how to split a video. Now after splitting a video, maybe I also come and split this one here, maybe I hover, maybe I want where the setting to want to start to kiss here, then I'll just split here like that. Now how do I move a video around? I'll just click it and hold it, press my mouse, and I'll just drag it. Maybe I want to position it here, maybe I want to push it somewhere here, so it will come here. Maybe also I want to move this one above here. You can easily do that. It will create a video timeline. Maybe I also want to move this one here. It will easily create a video timeline here, but you realize the moment you put on top of the other one, this one will be visible, this one at the bottom will not be visible. For example, if I hover, you see now here it is visible, the upper one is not visible. How do you enable gaps in your video? For example, if I try to pull this one here, you see it will come and stick and just come back here. If I come and click this arrow here, I'll remove gaps. So I can easily have gaps like that. If I close this one, all the gaps will be closed. If I click this one, all the gaps will be. If I click that one, you see the gaps, and I can easily put gaps. But if I click so that it becomes an arrow, all the gaps will be closed. And now how do you delete gaps in a video? First of all, let me enable gaps. So I can click here. If you click this place, this white, I just click here, right? Left click, then it will give me this yellow thing. I'll right click and I'll just delete gap. What about if I want to delete all gaps? Again, I'll click here and right click and delete all gaps. All the gaps will be deleted just like that. Then the next thing I want to show you is add markers. Sometimes maybe you're editing and you want a point of interest in the video. So what do? You'll position this thing here. There's this aspect like a flag here. You can just click it and you can easily add a marker. Maybe you want to delete that point. Also, you can add another one here. Maybe also you can add another one here. So maybe you want to delete this section here. So you can easily come. Maybe you want to split this section here. Maybe you're editing, you come later on. You can easily come and split this place here. And also maybe you wanted to split this place here. You can easily, they're just guides to help you work around your video. Then how do you delete an image in the timeline? I'll just come here and press delete in my keyboard. And how do I bring it back? I can just undo by pressing Ctrl Z, it will come back. Or I can just right click and delete. That's how to delete something in the timeline. Now, sometimes some videos have sound. For example, let me insert a video that has sound. I'll use my video here. Maybe I just come to file, add files. Then I'll use one of my videos here. This one here. Maybe I use this one here. Maybe I want to insert it somewhere here. You see this video has sound at the bottom. So how do I detach sound from the video? I'll right click and I'll just click detach audio. And you see the audio will go to the audio timeline here, and the video one will just remain on top there. So I can easily play around the video. I can easily remove the audio, maybe pull it here. Maybe I don't want maybe you can even put the video somewhere here. So yeah, that's how to detach, just like that. Now there are more options here. You can right click in the timeline here, maybe on a video. There are these more options here. You can also use here. Maybe I want to copy this one and paste it somewhere here. You see, then I can just easily bring it here. You can also add selection. Maybe I want to, you can right click and add a selection. You can see there, you can add a selection here. Then maybe you can you want to delete that selection. You can easily do that. So maybe I put my cursor here, then I'll right click here, and then I add selection. Then maybe I come again, delete selection. Or you can just come add selection. Then maybe this selection you want to delete or report delete. You see, it has gone just like that. So guys, that's how to work with the timeline, and that's how to move around and work with the timeline. Kindly make sure to subscribe to my channel. You can also go to the description section. You'll find the download link of Movavi video editor. Have a nice day. Have a nice time.